My gold jewelry was starting to look a little dull, and I didn't want to use anything harsh. I read somewhere that you can clean gold using lemon juice, and I just had to try it. Lemon is natural and acidic, so I thought, why not give it a go? I kept it simple. Here's what I used: fresh lemon juice, although you can also use bottled, a little water, and a soft toothbrush. You'll also need a small bowl to mix the lemon juice with water and a clean soft cloth to dry your jewelry. So first, I mixed equal parts lemon juice and water in a bowl. And here's my gold ring, which looks quite dirty. There's a bit of gunk in the crevices. Next, I dropped my gold ring in and let it soak for about 7 minutes. After that, I gently brushed it with a toothbrush. And trust me, don't skip gently here to avoid unwanted scratches. Then I rinsed it thoroughly with clean water and dried it properly with a clean soft cloth. I was actually surprised. The ring looked shinier and it even felt cleaner. So yes, lemon can work, but here's what I learned the hard way. This cleaning method is safe if your jewelry is solid gold, like 14 carats, 18 carats, or 22 carats. Don't try this if it's gold-plated. The acid can wear off the layer. Avoid this method if your gold piece has pearls, opals, or other soft stones. Lemon juice can damage them. And if it's glued together or antique, don't risk it. Always test on a hidden part first. Use a tray or bowl underneath. Never clean over a sink. And for that extra shine, here's a secret. I rubbed a teeny bit of olive oil on the ring while drying. It worked wonders. So yes, lemon can clean gold, but it's not for every piece, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you want more real tested jewelry tips like this, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I try everything so you don't have to.